got one of these hinges. Of course, the door goes up and down. We bought farm light, and we put plastic on the windows. This is hooked up to solar on the top, so it doesn't matter if power goes out or not. Got plenty of sunlight here, plus we have a battery charger for the solar gets charged, so it will never die. Straw on top of sand. We have sand in the summer and the straw in the winter because they like to keep their feet warm, and straw's the best thing for that. My husband made that. Tall water. And there we go. We have 12 birds, and they're comfortably able to get up there and roost, go to sleep at night. That's where their little nesting boxes are. We're putting in a water for the hose right here, because the hose thing's way over there, and it's just hard to get the hose all the way across the yard. So we're putting in 2 more. Okay, so there's windows that way too. And of course, this is where you get the eggs. I do have straw, but I also have the mats, the little mats that you put under silicone, so you can wash it. Very nice. I like that. My husband's digging. He's putting a conduit and a water line for the hose. Spigot. And the other hose spigot's gonna be way over there. Put conduit for power for that building, which is gonna be a kitchen with a sink and all that stuff. Oklahoma in almost December. And it's like about 63 degrees maybe, if not warmer. What are you doing? You being good? You are? There's Mo. There's Mo. Mo's the sweetest. Let's see if anybody wants to come up and sit on my lap. Come on, Mo. Come here, Mo. There's Mo. Oh, we got 2. Oh, come here, Mo. Come on, try it again. There you go. Hi, Mo. You want a kiss? I love you, Mo. Does I love you, Mo? Does Mama love you, Mo? I love kissing him. Just love you, Mo. They're not sure about the phones because, I just kiss them all the time and they stay and sleep on my lap and cuddle. But the phone is kind of tripping them. It's kind of funny. Their soul is being stolen. Hi, you coming up? Don't bite. They peck. Don't peck. Don't peck, Mama. No. Oh, see? That's not very nice. I don't like that when you peck. You want to come up? You want to come up, Mo? Trenches. And of course, when we moved here just a year ago, It was completely blank, clean slate, nothing here. Not that building, but the pool was. And we put in all the trees. We call it our orchard. We're gonna have a couple more, but we want cherry trees. We don't have cherry. We have 2 peach, 2 apple, 2 prune, and we're gonna get hopefully 2 cherry. And anyway, so this thing was all kind of like sloping down, and so during the rains, our first year, the pool would fill with dirt. It went all the way to the pool. So he terraced this off and kind of swooped it this way, and then we're putting in a wall right there. Fill it with a bunch of rocks and put a water feature right there. So that'll be nice. And he put a whole French drain over there, right there. And he will put more drainage on this side. He's already done the drainage on this side. So this is just the water and the conduit for electricity for a building that he's building right there. You know, like a big shed. Keep the chicken feed in there so I can easily do this instead of having to go all the way to the garage door to get the food. It'll be right here so I can reach it. He's building it really deep so that we don't have a freeze, you know, so it's about 2 feet deep. So keep you posted when it's all done. It's kind of nice to have things on the bottom up. You know, you gotta do all the bottom stuff before you can get to the stuff on the top. Yeah. He's packing in right now, and he's got a sod cutter, so he cuts the sod, as you can see, and then rolls it up, and then does his work, and then rolls it back. So right now he's packing. And the chickens love to help him. See, he's got some helper. They get all in his business when he's doing this stuff. They think that he's trying to turn up the dirt just for them. So cute. Hi. How you doing? You having a good day? You are? It's so fun, huh? Yeah, so fun. Yeah, you too? Yeah. And I didn't name all the birds. I only have Mo and Sweetie, and that's it. The rest are very sweet, all very nice, but Sweetie's very special because she was broody twice already, and that was horrible. Broody is just awful. Anyway, we've got our garden raised beds things over there, and that right there holds all the solar panels that heats the pool. That works wonderfully. Our pool got to like 96 in the hot summer, so at night it's really fun to go in the pool, watch the stars at night. Yeah, lots of sky to look at. Yeah, okay, so that's what's going on here at the homestead. Okay, thanks for watching.